Fishbone Offroad is your source for affordable, high-quality Jeep bumpers, armor, and accessories. Fishbone Offroad bumpers are manufactured from 1/4 inch and 3/16 inch steel plate, and every bumper includes a set of D-rings. In addition to bumpers, Fishbone Offroad manufactures rock sliders, light bar mounts, skid plates, fender flares in aluminum and steel, and more. All Fishbone Offroad products install easily and include detailed instructions. Fishbone Offroad. By Jeepers, for Jeepers. Fishbone Offroad.